Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this hydraulic crane I made. So the name is hydraulic crane for a reason, because it uses water and syringes to move. For suppose I try to turn, you focus on this syringe. So I also kept a control panel over here. So this is turn, grab and lift. So if I press on this one, observe on this one. As I push it, I see inside this mechanism. So when the water reaches inside, it is connected to these, which then will, which is a long thing over here, which will then connect to the mast, and it will move accordingly. And if I pull the syringe back, it works the exact opposite way by coming back to the left. As you can see, I have a block over here. Now I can keep anything I want in this block. For suppose I want to keep a like a 2x2 Rubik's cube. I just keep it in. There is nothing in this. And I just place it over here, and when I press the grab, which is a small syringe over here, it will automatically grab onto the box, and when I press lift, it will lift the box accordingly. So basically how this water pressure works is, there are tubes connected to each syringe. As you can see, this syringe is for turning, this syringe is for lifting, and this syringe is for grabbing. So as you can see, they are all connected like this. So when they get pressure and water inside, so when they get the water and pressure inside, they will move their according part. Like I want to turn, I pull it back, it comes back. I will grab this box. So basically what hydraulic means is that, like, it's pressure inside water. Like, see, I kept water inside each of these syringes, and these tubes have pressure inside them. So when the water connects to the pressure, to the pressure like that, that pressure will go into the syringe, and that syringe will move the according part. That is why it is called an hydraulic crane. So whenever you find a tube and two syringes, and then you connect the tube to two syringes, and then you just do like this to one syringe, the other one will get opened up again, and when you push that one again, the other one will get affected. So if you've ever done that, that is basically how this one works, but just with water. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Bye guys.